So after you sign up for the free Cloudflare plan, so you need to add your domain. So here you have the option to onboard a domain. So the domain that I have is my personal brand, hatemmetwalli.com. So I need to press here the onboard a brand, and here we'll type the domain. It should be the top domain, not the subdomain. Like the one I have here is hatemmetwalli.com. Then the Cloudflare will actually scan the domain and import the DNS records as mentioned here. We will scan for common DNS records and import them for you. And after that, it will generate some DNS records that you need to update on your domain, on the registrar of your domain. So the traffic will be redirected to Cloudflare instead of the actual DNS or the previous records DNS of your original site. So here, let's select here the options how to control access to the website. So block all pages. Okay, so block AI training bots. For example, this is for bot management. So any AI training bot will not be able to scrap any content on your site. Block only on host names with ads. AI training bots will be blocked on subdomains that show ads. Don't block. So let's choose don't block for now. Okay, so here continue, and here please ensure you are providing the root domain and not any subdomain. Okay, so we don't need to put the www actually. So this is my root domain. Continue. Okay, so now I will choose the free plan. Okay, you have different plans. So the pro plan is $20 per month. The business plan is $200 per month. The enterprise, this is for enterprises. So let's go and see the differences. So the free plan is basic protection and performance for personal or simple websites, like my personal brand website, unmetered application, layered DDoS protection, okay, and IP-based rate limiting, protect against high severity and widespread vulnerabilities with WAF, detect and challenge common bots only, universal SSL certificate, fast, easy to use DNS, global CDN, so it should improve the performance by having local caching at the edge of the connecting user, 70 Cloudflare rules, 5 WAF rules, support is community documentation. If we go to the Pro, so here it's including the WASP vulnerability protection, 0 day, so the AI intelligence is used to detect 0 days, detect and challenge, easy to detect bots, like providing some captcha, virtualized loading of key site assets, intelligent caching, one-click image optimizations, and as you go through the different plans, the more sophisticated protection controls are added. So it's just enough for now to select the free plan to test. Okay, and you should get the DNS records by Cloudflare, and then we will go to my admin panel of my website to update this record. So review your DNS records. We found the Cloudflare was able to detect 2A records and 2 quad A records and 1 CNAME. Okay, so you can see here the records found. So the A record, this is the like the IP address of my domain. Okay, and here the quad is actually the IP version 6. Okay, and the CNAME, because actually this is hosted at Hostinger. So my website is hosted on the Hostinger hosting platform. So this is the alias. Actually, it's the DNS, the authoritative DNS currently is Hostinger. So it's proxied with this CNAME. So yeah. So these are the records that have been discovered by Cloudflare. Okay, so my traffic is almost ready to proxy. So your DNS records tell Cloudflare where your web content is hosted, so we can hide the origin and proxy your web traffic. Okay, DNS management for, okay, add records. So yeah, we need to add these records at Cloudflare. No. Okay, so this is the okay, so this is if you want to add more than this. Okay, so we continue with the activation. Update your name servers to activate Cloudflare. So now we need to log into the DNS provider, my registrar. Okay, replace your current name servers with Cloudflare name servers. Okay, so these are the two. Add each of your assigned Cloudflare name servers. Delete your other name servers, save your changes. Okay, so we need to copy this one. Okay, and then I will go here. Here is my hPanel or Hostinger admin panel. Okay, so here I have the DNS name servers. Okay, so if you see here, this one, actually, yeah, see, these are the old ones. Let me take a screenshot of it. So these are all the old ones. So I copied this one and I will replace it here, edit, and I need to change name servers. This is a recommended by Hostinger, but I will change them to actually put the Cloudflare ones. So I put this one, and I have to go back and take the other one. This is the other one, and here I put the second one and save. Name servers changed. Your name servers has been changed to Cloudflare. It might take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name servers. Okay. So see, your domain DNS records are currently managed elsewhere. To edit DNS records in Hostinger, please switch your name servers. So if we need to go back to the original settings, we can simply use this one and save. This will restore the defaults. And also for Cloudflare to work properly, you may need to disable the DNS security if you have any configuration for it. Okay, currently I don't have. So yeah, doing so we have changed the configuration, and here you see, make sure the DNSSEC is off. And yeah, here I confirm that I updated my name servers to the Cloudflare ones. Okay, this is the last step to allow Cloudflare to speed up and protect your web traffic, waiting for your registrar to propagate your new name servers. So you should come back to this page after 24 hours, where you have to wait, because you have to wait for the propagation of the DNS records across the internet, because still, yeah, we have already changed it on the registrar itself, but it takes time for the propagation to happen across the globe. So this typically takes 1 to 2 hours, but maximum 24 hours, depending on your registrar. Okay, so Cloudflare is checking the status periodically, so you can come here to check during the day. Next step, go to DNS to verify your existing records and configure proxy status. Use SSL to manage certificates. Will issue you a free universal SSL certificate to cover your root domain and first level domain. Okay, so actually this is my website. Okay, so let me yeah, this is the website. Also, it takes time for the propagation because I have changed as I told you, the the DNS record propagation will take some time. So we'll stop here and continue after the propagation of the DNS records takes place. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.